I can do this in two different ways. I'm going to kind of do it intuitively to start with, and then I'm going to use a formula. So Trish travels, but Trish and Mark both cycle the same distance. Trish completed the distance in 2 hours, and her average speed was 16 miles per hour. So that means every hour she's going 16 miles. And so in 2 hours, it's just going to be 16 times 2. She will have gone 32 miles. Mark goes the same distance in 4 hours. So again, goes 32 miles, but in 4 hours. So find Mark's average speed for the journey. Well, let's just make a guess. Like, what if they'd gone 10 miles per hour? Then it'd be four lots of 10, it'd be 40. So I need to think, what do I times 4 by to give 32? And actually, that is the same as doing 32 divided by 4, and the answer is 8 miles per hour. You can also get that just by kind of looking at it and seeing, right, well, they've doubled the amount of time, so they must have the speed. They must be going twice as slow. The second way to do this using a formula is to write down, and you'll need this for other questions, so it's worth paying attention to. Speed is equal to distance over time. So I was about to write distance distance over time. It's a bit harder now, but we can actually rearrange this formula. We can write it as S equals D over T. And one of the harder skills in maths is to like learn how to rearrange formulae. And I could actually rearrange this to distance is equal to speed times time. Okay, because I'm dividing these two, it must be that when I do speed times time, I get distance. Another way of thinking about it is this is harder again, but to use the idea of a balancing method and times both sides by time. It cancels from here, and I'm left with distance is speed times time. And using that formula, I can do what I did here, which is just to do 2 times 16. Now, to work out the average speed of the other person, well, I can just then use the formula that I have. I've got speed as distance over time, so it's going to be 32 divided by 4, and that gets me to 8. So 3 ways to think about this question. I hope you're happy with it.